One time against my mother. My mother sent we go. My mother sent we go market. Me and my sister used to go do shopping at the market every Saturday. And my mother would. One week we bought the yam. One week we buy yam. One week we buy yam. And then when we come home, my mother said the yam hollow. No, two little yam pitney like we. I go market. What did the country know about hollow yam from where yam hollow? More than we just go buy the yam, bring it home. My mother fling the yam and liquid away, you see. I'm telling you, if it ever all know, or in America, she'd have swear if it be brought up on what they call it, child abuse. But she fling the yam and liquid away head. And when she done, she cook the rest of the yam and she said, Lord, the yam nice, you see. The yam nice. You think that my mother easy? My mother was easy. She could have been.
It looked hollow, but when she cook it,
yes,
it tastes different.
Exactly. The yam was good. The yam was nice. And she have the nerve and tell me said the yam was good. After she take the yam and liquid in her head. And thing there.